righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for you are with me. Your rod and your staff, they comfort me. You prepare a table before me in the presence of my enemies. You anoint my head with oil. My cup runs over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen.
The next thing we're going to do is John 3:16. Y'all ready?
Amen.
John 3:16. For God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believe in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. 17. For God sent not his Son into the world to condemn the world, but that the world through him might be saved.
Ephesians 6.
Ephesians 6, 1, 2, and 3. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Honor thy father and thy mother, which is the first commandment with promise, and that it may be well with thee, and thou mayest live long on the earth.
Amen.
Give us the name of the 12 disciples.
Simon, who was called Peter, and his brother Andrew, James and his brother John, Philip and Bartholomew, Thomas, Matthew, James, Thaddeus, Simon, Judas Iscariot.
The next thing we're going to do is the 10 Commandments. The first commandment.
Thou shalt have no other gods before me.
2.
Thou shalt not make unto thee any graven images.
3.
Thou shalt not take the name of the Lord thy God in vain.
4.
Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy.
5.
Honor thy father and thy mother.
6.
Thou shalt not kill.
7.
Thou shalt not commit adultery.
8.
Thou shalt not steal.
9.
Thou shalt not bear false witness against thy neighbor.
10.
Thou shalt not covet thy neighbor's goods.
We're going to do the books of the Bible. Y'all ready?
Amen.